Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo N61 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the system option. Now let's tap on language and region, and here we've got the option system language, so let's tap. And as you can see, this is the list of all, let's say, currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on a new one. Just tap on Add a Language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it. Let me choose maybe Greek. Just tap on the specific language, and you can see that it has been immediately added to the list. However, the English in my case is still a main one, so all you have to do is to reorder the languages. So just tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. Your device will ask you whether you want to change the language, so just tap on change. And from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it, and quickly change the position. So this is how it works. You can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language you want to delete, and trash bin icon in the right upper corner. Tap on remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.